What's new at Peernet? Peernet has spent the summer refreshing our look. Last week, we released our brand new website featuring modernized application icons for each of our products. Select the software you want to learn more about from the Products tab, organized by category and including a brief description to help direct you to the software you need faster. For example, let's check out Document Conversion Service, our unattended 24/7 batch converter. Each product section includes an overview of the primary features of the software, a detailed features page, and a help center linking you to the video tutorials, guides, how-tos, and FAQs. New to the Peernet website with this update are industry-specific examples, license level recommendations, and a detailed breakdown of available volume discounts, all to help you make a more informed decision on which product and license level would best meet your needs. On the Industries page, we've selected the top 8 industries we serve and provided information on how our software is used by these industries. The License Levels page allows you to select your user level and the software you're interested in, allowing you to get our expert recommendations at the click of a mouse. Lastly, as always, Peernet offers a vast amount of support resources. For your convenience, we've collated all of these resources into product-specific help centers, available through the Learn and Support tab. You can also skip directly to the trial downloads for each product by selecting Downloads and Installs, as well as find a list of our most frequently asked purchasing questions. We hope you enjoy the new website. As always, if you need assistance now or in the future with your Peernet software, our support team is always happy to help. Simply select Contact to find our contact information.